Want to give your customers quick access to a page via the announcement bar on Shopify? Here's how to add a clickable link. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. In the left sidebar, open the header or announcement bar section, depending on your theme. Look for a field labeled Link, Button Link, or similar. Paste the URL of the page you want customers to visit, such as a customer account page, collection, or external link. Update the text field so the bar shows a clear call to action like Shop Now or View Your Account. Once finished, click Save. The announcement bar will now display your custom link, and customers can click it directly. That's it. Your Shopify announcement bar now includes a clickable customer link. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.